Today's project involves creating a wooden basket that will attach to the back of this bike. So I got some leftover cedar fence pickets, and I'm thinking we should be able to use these to create this box. First thing I'm going to do is cut off these ends. Got some cracks on them. And then I'll see what pieces go together nicely. We're going to pocket hold them together. And then we will create a side with just the height of one of these. Put a little chamfer on the front edge of it. Glue it together. And we'll attach it to the bike using some of these leftover aluminum pieces that I got. And use some carriage bolts and some wing nuts to attach it. All right, let's get started. The front of this tape here is about where the front of the box should go to give a little bit of butt room. And going to the back, it looks like about 15 inches is as far as we want to go. Something to keep in mind, not all of these slats are the same thickness, same height here. So this one's a little bit short. This is another scrap piece I have, another cut off. This does match the height of these. So luckily, I'm going to use one of the full height ones in the back. The front, I'm going to cut it at an angle. So this piece will be cut down anyway, so it's not a big deal, but something to keep in mind. is just rubber sheeting. I'm not sure if this is necessary, but I'm hoping maybe it'll help with some of the vibration. It'll maybe help the box grip a little bit so it'll slide around in the bars. Now I'm going to cut it in 2 little strips. I'm going to put it down between these 2 holes. Not like that, you know what I mean. And glue it on and call it good.